Yes, it's a guava. And when I brought it home, it was green. When I picked it off the tree and I put it in the paper bag to ripe. And this is what it looks like. So let's see. Yes, it's a guava. I got it off of a tree over near where I work. When I picked it off the tree, it was totally green. Now it's ripe. It's smelling up the house. It does still feel a little firm, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Let's see. Worst thing that could happen is that it's not really ripe. But let's see. Oh, how about that? You know I will be saving the seeds from this to try and cultivate my own guava. Hmm. Doesn't taste bad either. It's a slightly sweet. I could have let it ripe some more, but there you have it. Guava from in the wild. I don't know how else they grow, but anyway. Thank you for watching.